Hi everyone, this is Valentine and today I am gonna review my new shoes, my new sneakers by Louis Vuitton. So actually I was in New York, not the first time, but maybe like my fourth time in New York, Manhattan, obviously. And of course, I went to the Fifth Avenue and I wanted to buy some stuff. Yes, my new Cartier bracelet that I'm going to review here soon today as well. But I've also went to Louis Vuitton and I decided to buy sneakers. So I bought the iconic and the most famous and the trending, like the very trending Louis Vuitton Archlight Sneakers. So Louis Vuitton actually have these in so many different options, in so many different styles, and every year, every collection, they are reaching like a new styles of these Archlight sneakers. They are just extremely famous. And I tried on a few of them. And by the way, the new collection with the Japanese artist is gorgeous. The whole store was decorated really, really nicely with like, you know, all the new collection. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this new collection. I don't think it looks good by any means, because like, I mean, putting pumpkins and like all these like weird looking like faces on bags. I personally, that's my personal own taste. Please let me know your opinion about the new collection with the Japanese artist that Louis Vuitton just, you know, went out with. I personally couldn't find anything that I like. Also the new collection with the dots on different like colors. Well, my personal opinion, I just like, I don't feel like wearing that type of bag or like piece of creation by Louis Vuitton. I'm not a fan as well of this collection. I was looking at the Archlight sneakers and I was like, I honestly don't understand the point. I don't like understand what's so pretty about them. But one day I saw them on someone and I was like, okay, now I get the point. Because once they are on your leg, they completely looks different than once they are on the picture or once you just see them on the shelf in Louis Vuitton store. Anyway, I saw them on a girl in New York and I was like, oh my God, I actually really love how it looks like. I should go try them on, see if I like how do they look like on my legs. And I tried them on and I was like, oh my God, I am in love, I'm buying these. I love them. So I was deciding between the classic model with the canvas straps and between the pink model. And both of them looks so different. Like that's so weird because it's the same model, it's the same shape, but once they are in pink and once they are comes with a canvas strips, they just looks completely different. So I was deciding between these two and I went with the pink at the end of the day and I am so very happy about that. Now to the price. So after taxes, I paid almost $1,500, like $1,500 for a pair of sneakers. Honestly, that's not the most expensive pair of shoes, but I've never spent so much on sneakers. Honestly, I still think that's way too much for sneakers because in my opinion, this sneakers price should be like 600s, okay, maybe 700s for some special models or 800s, the highest price. I definitely don't see myself spending like more than $1,000 on a pair of sneakers, even though I have a pair of Valentino sneakers, which I paid $1,000 for, but still $1,500 on a pair of sneakers. And I love investing in high fashion pieces, and all of my purses and all of my closet, it's all like mostly high-end pieces only, because I have a law to buy only high-end pieces and to never buy stuff like Zara or H&M. Like, so this is the law, you know, like in my life for the last 15 years. And this is how I'm just honestly an owner of a gorgeous, very impressive collection of high-end pieces of art. And I love each one of them. So even that 1500s sounds really a lot for a pair of sneakers, sounds even kind of crazy. I would easily put 1500s on like, you know, a pair of heels, on Louboutins, or on a pair of boots, but not on sneakers. But anyway, the second I saw how the Archlight sneakers looks on my legs, like on my feet, I was like, oh my God, I am in love and I'm ready to spend any amount of money right now here that you will tell me to spend. So I'm so very excited also that this pair was both at the Fifth Avenue, Manhattan, which I've heard so much about this place. And you know, guys, I'm not an American, I'm an immigrant. So I've seen so many movies about the Fifth Avenue and I've heard so many things about the Fifth Avenue. So I was really excited to own something that was both at the Fifth Avenue, Manhattan, New York. Obviously, this is not the only piece from Louis Vuitton that I bought. I am not reviewing everything that I'm buying. I'm buying a lot, but I'm just reviewing something that I feel like very excited about. And I feel like I want to review review that, and I want to show how it looks like, because it kind of like, you know, changed my mind about sneakers. So guys, that was actually all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. What do you think about these sneakers? Would you buy these for yourself or wouldn't you? That was actually all for today, guys. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.